Ngobrolnya deh sekarang.
1, 2, 3.
It's so beautiful.
Good morning, class.
Morning, sir.
Okay, today I want to introduce you to a remarkable technological device. Let's see if you can figure it out what it is as I describe its feature and function.
Is it something that you can hold in one hand, sir?
No, it's actually bigger than that. It's also equipped with propellers that help it move around.
Can your device fly, sir?
Yes, you're absolutely right. This device can fly through the air, just like an airplane, but in a different way.
Is it like a remote control toy?
Absolutely. It is indeed remote control, but it's not just a toy. It serves many practical purposes as well.
Can this device take a picture or a video, sir?
Yes, it can. In fact, one of its common uses is to capturing images and videos from above. It's also equipped with a camera that lets you see things from a whole new perspective.
I think I know what it is. Is it a drone?
Yes, you got it right.
She actually got it.
Yeah. Drones are incredible devices that can be flown remotely to capture aerial views.
Can we control it where it goes, sir?
Absolutely. You can control its movement using remote control or even smartphone. You can make it fly up, down, left, right, and even hover in place.
Can the drone go fly up like really high, sir?
Yes, it can soar to impressive heights, but there are limitations too. Does anyone know what a drone can be used for?
I know it. Drones are used in filmmaking to capture cinematic shots, in agriculture to monitor crops, in search and rescue mission to find missing people, and even in scientific research to study wildlife and landscapes.
Wow, such a great answer.
That is actually cool.
Wow, sounds incredible. I can think of so many ways it could be used.
Absolutely. Drones have revolutionized many industries and have opened up new possibilities for creativity, exploration, and also problem solving.
Got it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
My
sir.
section.
Damis.